MipMap 3.0 is finally here. This Gaussian splatting scene was reconstructed from handheld LiDAR using MipMap 3.0. From direct 360 camera integration to professional LiDAR support and smart measurement tools, we've packed this update with the features you've been asking for. Let's dive straight into the new features. Let's start with Gaussian splatting. Creating stunning splats requires capturing data from every angle. To speed this up, MipMap 3.0 now supports direct import for Insta360 and DJI Osmo panorama videos. Handheld LiDAR is the best for efficient and reliable Gaussian splatting data collection. MipMap now fully supports it for seamless scene creation. You can now import last point clouds, trajectories, and images directly. By using the reliable depth information from your LiDAR device, MipMap significantly improves reconstruction stability to handle data from ultra-large-scale scenes. We've introduced the efficient SOG format with level of detail support. This makes rendering city-scale scenes not just possible, but incredibly smooth. And to truly experience these worlds, we've added first-person navigation. Use your keyboard and mouse to walk through your scenes for a fully immersive experience. Beyond splatting, our photogrammetry workflows has received major upgrades for professional work. First, we've added fisheye camera support and more flexible options to fix specific camera parameters. If you use pre-calibrated rigs, your reconstructions will be more reliable than ever. For mesh generation, we now support fusing handheld LiDAR point clouds with RGB images, giving you sharper geometry. For our drone surveyors, we've tackled the challenge part of photogrammetry, water. MipMap 3.0 includes automatic water flattening. It identifies water bodies and smooths them out, preventing holes or mesh deformation in your final deliverables. We've also expanded our Geoid support in coordinate settings, streamlining the workflow for professional mapping deliverables. And finally, volume measurement. You can now calculate earthworks or stockpile volumes directly inside MipMap. Generate a PDF report or export vector data instantly. No third-party software required. From faster capture to smarter delivery, MipMap 3.0 is built to handle your reality capture needs. The update is available right now. Click the link in the description to download it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the MipMap 3D channel for more tutorials and showcases. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!